Hello friends, my name is Priyabrat Mishra and you all are watching me on your favorite channel Ulta Soch. And friends, on examination description video already आमे करी सारिचे जोथरे आमे in details बुझेचे on examination by Winston Churchill. So जदि आपण माने से वीडियो देखि नाहंती ताहले description रे लिंक दिया है आपण मानक पई आपण मान देखंतु. So this time we are simply going to discuss on the question and answers of on examination, right? So the first question is যদি কিছু ডাউট রইবা আপনি মানে প্লিজ ফিল ফ্রি টু আস্ক, রাইট? So the first question is does the writer like examinations? Quote the line in support of your answer. तार माने होची कोन राइटर को एग्जामिनेशन पसंद थिला कि आपनक क्वेश्चन रो सपोर्ट रे को लाइन टा अछि ताको क्योट करंतु. हम जानि छी राइटर जमा पसंद करनथले तो राइटर नेवर यूज्ड टू लाइक एग्जामिनेशन. द लाइन टू सपोर्ट द स्टेटमेंट ताको रखिले इन्वर्टर भितरे these examinations were great trial to me, right? ये एग्जामिनेशन गुडी को मोट रे बड़ दंड. these examinations were a great trial to me. Next question is mention the subjects that were dearest to the examiners. को subject examiner को पई dearest थिला. The subjects that were dearest to the examiners were Latin and mathematics. इडी dearest spelling my dear friends गलत अछि टिके आंसर रे आपण माने क्षमा देबे सेति पई. ताहले एग्जामिनर को पई को सब्जेक्ट भलो लागुतला तांको एग्जामिनर को सेटा हला लैटिन एंड मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? Question number 3. Which subjects did the writer like the most? को subject को writer सबुठ अधिक पसंद करुथले. The subjects liked by the writer were history, poetry and writing essays. कोटा पसंद करुथले ना history, poetry आउ writing essay. Now question number 4. What reason does the writer give for his not doing well in the examination? एग्जामिनेशन में भलो न करि परिबार कोन रीजन देइचंती राइटर. There were many reasons because of which the writer was not able to do well in the examination. It was a great trial to him. तंग बहुत रीजन अछि भलो न करि परिबार. प्रथम हला एटा ओड तंग पे बडो ट्रायल थिला, दंड सदृश थिला. Secondly, he was not examined him from their favorite subjects which were Latin and mathematics. Third, the questions were not asked from what he knew and when he tried displaying his knowledge, examiners exposed his ignorance. So, ये तीनटा जिनस मन रखंतु. प्रथम कथा हला कि तांको पई एग्जाम भल लागुतला. इट वाज अ ग्रेट ट्रायल टू हिम. सेकंड कथा हला राइटर एग्जामिनर को जोटा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट ला आंको भल लागुनतला. लैटिन मैथमेटिक्स तांकर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट ला जोटा आंको पसंद नथिला. थर्ड है ये सब चाहूले सी जोटा जानी पचरा जाऊ किंतु एग्जामिनर माने सब जोटा सी जानी नाहंती सेटा पचारती. तेणु बिचरा राइटर आमर एग्जामिनर खराब करती. नाउ व्हाट डिड द राइटर राइट इन द आंसर बुक फॉर द लैटिन पेपर? लैटिन पेपर रे राइटर आंसर बुक रे कोन लिखुचंती? The writer was unable to answer even a single question in Latin paper. He wrote his name at the top of the page and then wrote the number of the questions. After giving much thought, he just put a bracket round the number, making it 1 bracketed. In addition, he could make only small blots and smudges on the answer sheet. Writer was unable to answer even a single question. Writer गोटे सिंगल क्वेश्चन को भी अनेबल थिले आंसर करबा पई. तेनु लैटिन पेपर रे गोटे सिंगल क्वेश्चन भी आंसर करि परिले नाही. से कोन कले ना ऑन द टॉप ऑफ हिज पेपर से कोन कले ना नाटा निजर लिखिले. तापर कोन कले क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखिले. आउ बहुत किछि भाबी भाबी ताको गोटे ब्रैकेट देले. इज लिखा है आपण देखिबे 1 ब्रैकेटेड एटी अछि आपण. इन एडिशन से कोन हला ना जे तांकर आखिरु ये बाहर की एटी कोन हला ब्लॉट आउट स्मजेस हला, राइट? दाग हो गेला. व्हाट आर द सैड स्पेक्टाकल्स फॉर हिम? तांको पई सैड स्पेक्टाकल दुखद स्पेक्टाकल दृश्य कोन थिला? द राइटर वाज नॉट एबल टू आंसर इवन अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन इन द लैटिन पेपर. Even after much reflection, all he could do was to make some blot and smudges on the answer sheet. This was the sad spectacle for him, which he gazed for 2 long hours. 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଧରି କୌଣସି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର ନ ଦେଇ ପାରି ଖାଲି ବସିକି ଚାହିଁବା ଇଆଡ଼େ ସିଆଡ଼େ ଚାହିଁ ଚାହିଁ ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଖାତା ପେପରରେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ଲଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସ୍ମଜେସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ଯୋଉ ଆଖିରୁ ଲୁହ ପଡ଼ି ଯୋଉ ଦାଗ ହେଇଗଲା, ଯେ ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୟାଡ୍ ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟାକଲ ଥିଲା। Now, question number 7. What was the writer's position in the merit list for admission? Admission no merit list writer ko position kon thila? In the merit list for admission, he was placed in the 3rd division of the 4th or bottom form. Bottom form ro 3rd division ne माने suppose आपनकर A B C D चारटा अछि ताले लास्ट ए D रो सभा तले थिले माने जस्ट पास करके जाइथिले जोटा। And since the list was in alphabetical order, he was 3rd last of the whole school. पूरा स्कूल रो तळारू 3 नंबर थिले। Whom does he keep the credit of his success in the entrance examination? Why? काहाकू से तांको सक्सेस रो क्रेडिट दउचंती एवं काहेकी? The writer gave the credit of his success to the headmaster Dr. Weldon, who took a broad-minded view of writer's Latin prose and judged his general ability. It was him who concluded that the writer regarded him as the one capable of looking beneath the surface of things and not merely dependent upon paper manifestation. डॉक्टर वेल्डन जे हेडमास्टर थिले से स्कूल रो से राइटर को जो लैटिन प्रोज को देखिकी ता ऊपर ब्रॉड व्यू नहीं की ना कि अदर जो अच्छी मार्क को देखलेनी बिनीथ द मार्क टू ऊर्ध को ऊपर को उठी से कौन कले ना को एडमिशन करया पई एलिजिबल करैथिले। सो से डॉक्टर वेल्डन को बहुत क्रेडिट दियंती तांकर एडमिशन जो होला सेति पई। व्हाट डज ही मीन बाय gain no more advantage from the alphabet than from the widest pair of letters? तांको कहया मीनिंग कोन जो तांकर एड्डे बडो नाटा अछि सेथिरु से कोनसी एडवांटेज पाइले नाही तार कोन अछि? In writer's school, the names of the boys were printed on the school list in alphabetical order, and his name being Spencer Churchill gained no advantage from the alphabet. तांको स्कूल ले कोन ना alphabetically लिखा होतला तांको ना जाय कि एस माने ऑलमोस्ट जेड पाखा पाखी आसी गलानी। This is because in alphabetical order letter S comes towards the end and should read his name in the list. This made him say that he gained no more advantage from the letter than from the knowledge of books. How did he become the last boy in the class? Class रो सभा लास्ट पिला केमते हे गले? तळा तो 3 थिले नहीं? Writer's name with the letter S. Writer's name started with the letter S. S to start thus. He was only 2 from the bottom of the whole school. तळारू दीटा को छाड़ी देले ता ऊपरे रहितले, and the other 2 disappeared immediately owing to illness or some other reasons, leaving the writer the last of all. आउ अन्य जो 2 जणांक कोन कले पूरा छाड़ी देले माने स्कूल छाड़ी देले कौन कही कि ना देह खराब कही कि बा डिफरेंट कॉज दे कि स्कूल छाड़ी देले तेनु ये अल्टीमेटली तांको तळ 2 जण जले पळेले ये क्लास रो लास्ट हे गले कि राइटर। नाउ व्हाट इज द कस्टम ऑफ कॉलिंग द रोल एट हैरो? हैरो रे केमिति रोल नंबर डका जाय सब? एट हैरो स्टूडेंट्स वुड फाइल पास्ट और मास्टर इन द स्कूल यार्ड एंड आंसर वन बाय वन। जनक परे जणे स्टूडेंट गोटे ये रही पूरा लाइन में जनक परे जणे आंसर कर जिवे। व्हाट इज द कस्टम ऑफ कॉलिंग द रोल एट एटर्न? एटर्न ने कोन हुए ना एट एटर्न बॉयज यूज्ड टू स्टैंड इन क्लस्टर एंड लिफ्ट देयर हैट्स व्हेन देयर नेम्स वर कॉल्ड। एटर्न ने कोन हुए पिला माने क्लस्टर माने गोटे गुच्छ भलिया गोटे जगह रे एकाठी सब थांती जहा ना आसला सेटा हैट को बा टोपीटा को ऊपर टेकिबो। Why he is last of all? Why did people say so? लोक माने काहे की कहंती कि से काहे की शेष सबा लास्ट अछि बोली आश्चर्य होंती काहे की? Writer's name appeared last in the school list because of the alphabetical arrangement Since he was the son of a great leader, people expected him to be on the forefront, but he appeared in the last. That's why people would say those words for him. Writer को ना तांको ନା ଯୋଗୁ ସେ କଣ ନା କ୍ଲାସରେ ସବା ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଲିଡର ଥିଲେ, ପପୁଲାର ଥିଲେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରାଇଟ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା କରନ୍ତି why he is last of all। My dear friends, that is from unit 1। ଏବେ unit 2 କୁ ଯିବା। Similarly unit 2 ର ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଭିଡିଓ ବୁଝି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଦୟାକରି ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନରେ ଯୋଉ ଲିଙ୍କ ଦିଆହେଇଛି ତାକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ। ସୋ ଏବେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଖାଲି ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆନ୍ସର୍ସ। Now, question number 1. What kind of students were taught Latin and Greek at Harrow? କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲାଟିନ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରୀକ ପଢା ହଉଥିଲା? Simply what kind କାଟିକି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିବ the clever students। clever student ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଢା ଯାଉଥିଲା ଲାଟିନ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରୀକ। Which students were taught only English? slow learners ମାନଙ୍କୁ। Students who were considered dunces, dunces ମାନେ ଗଧା, slow learner ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ consider କରାଉଥିଲା, who had no inclination towards Latin, Greek or mathematics were the one who are taught only English। ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ଲାଟିନ ଗ୍ରୀକ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପ୍ରତି ଇନକ୍ଲିନେସନ ନାହିଁ, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କେବଳ ପଢା ଯାଉଥିଲା ଇଂଲିଶ। ରାଇଟ। ନାଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 3। ହାଉ ଡଜ ଦି ରାଇଟର ରେଟ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ଆଜ ଅ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମିଷ୍ଟର ସୁମରୱେଲ ଆଜ ଅ ଟିଚର? ରାଇଟର ଇଂଲିଶକୁ ଆଜ ଅ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ସୁମରୱେଲକୁ ଆଜ ଅ ଟିଚର ହିସାବରେ କିଭଳି ରେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି? The writer rate English as a notable thing which helped in earning a living। writer इंग्लिश को गोटे बहुत भलो नोटेबल थिंग हिसाब रे कंसीडर करते, कारण बंचिबा पई इंग्लिश दरकार, अर्निंग करिबा पई, रोजगार करिबा पई। ही बिलीव दैट एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग द क्लेवरर वंस शुड पोसेस द नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश बाय ऑल मीन्स। से बिलीव करथले कि समस्ते इवन जिते भी चालाक हो, जिते भी ग्रीक पढ़ो, लाटिन पढ़ो, समस्तंकु कौन पढ़िबार अछि ना इंग्लिश पढ़िबार अछि। ही रिएक्टेड मिस्टर सोमरवेल एज द मोस्ट डिलाइटफुल मैन। मिस्टर सोमरवेल को से सबुठु डिलाइटफुल मैन हु न्यू एक्जाक्टली हाउ टू टीच इंग्लिश टू स्टुपिडेस्ट बॉयज। चगला पिला मानकु, गधा पिला मानकु किभଳି भाबरे इंग्लिश पढ़ा जिवो तांकु ही केवल जଣା थिला। ही टॉट देम एज नो वन एल्स had ever taught it। से एमिति पढ़ेले आगु केही भी एमिति पढ़ेई नथिले। The writer was grateful and indebted to Mr. Somerville for teaching him the essential structure of the ordinary British sentence। It was because of him he felt at advantage over cleverer boys in the latter years of life after school। तांकरी बहुत क्रेडिट दउचंती कि तांकू गोटे ऑर्डिनरी ब्रिटिश सेंटेंस रो एसेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर विषय पढ़ाई बारे हेल्प करथिले, जहा फल से क्लेवरर बॉय मानक तुलना रे मध्य बहुत भलो करथिले आगु को राइटर। राइट। What part of the English grammar did he learn from Mr. Somerville? कौन सब सिखले इंग्लिश ग्रामर रो? The writer learned English parsing, English को parsing करिबा, English analysis करिबा। Okay, he also learned components of sentence like subject, विभिन्न गोटे सेंटेंस रो विभिन्न कंपोनेंट जेमति सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, क्लॉजेस या विषय मध्य पढ़िबा को पाइले। It was because of Mr. Somerville that the essential structure of the ordinary British sentence got into the bones of the writer। Somerville को पाई गोटे ऑर्डिनरी देखा जाउतबा ब्रिटिश सेंटेंस रो एसेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर को से बुझिबारे समर्थ होई थिले। नाउ हाउ डिड ही स्कोर ओवर द क्लेवर स्कूल फेलोज इन आफ्टर इयर्स? भलो पिलांक तुलना रे किबळी भाबरे से तांको भलो कले। स्पेंसर thoroughly learned English, thus it got into his bones। पूरा इंग्लिश को thoroughly पढ़िले, तांको पूरा भीतर जाय पढ़िले। That means पूरा प्रगाढ़ नॉलेज क्षेत्र नेले। But the cleverer school fellows who had learned Latin and Greek had to come down to common English in the year after school to earn their living and make their way। किनु चालाक पिला माने जो सब लैटिन और ग्रीक पढ़ुतले, बाद में पुणी तांको आसी कि इंग्लिश पढ़िया को पड़ला निज रोजगार बा चाकरी करिबा पई। So there the writer had an advantage over those boys as he knew English and its uses for day to day matter। तेणु एइभଳି भाबरे राइटर एडवांटेज पाइले मानकर बेसी जानिथिले इंग्लिश। राइट। Why was he biased in favor of boys learning English school? काहे कि बॉयज पिला माने इंग्लिश पढ़िबा पई सपक्षरे से बहुत बायस से प्रति। Churchill remained in the lowest third division of the three times as long as anyone else। So So he had to learn the same English lessons again and again, but it proved fruitful to him in the year after school. In spite of much humiliation at school, he felt advantageous over the one who had learned Latin and Greek. The cleverer schoolfellow had to come down again to learn common English, so he was biased in favor of boys learning English. ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚିଲ ତଳେ ରହିଲେ ବହୁତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହାସ୍ୟାସ୍ପଦ ହେବାକୁ ପଡୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଂଲିଶ କି ଯୋଉ ବାରମ୍ବାର ପଢିଲା ପରେ ଲ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ ଡେଜରେ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲେଭରର ବଏଜ ମାନେ ଲାଟିନ ଗ୍ରୀକ ପଢିକି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ପଢିଲେ ଆଉ ସିଏ ଏଇ ହିସାବରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କଠୁ ବେଟର ପୋଜିସନରେ ରହିଲେ ତେଣୁ ସିଏ ସବୁବେଳେ ଇଂଲିଶର ବାୟସ ଇଂଲିଶ ସପକ୍ଷରେ यूनिट 3 एगेन रिक्वेस्ट करी जो मैंने बुझी ना हो यूनिट 3 रो यूनिट को दया करी डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया जाइतबा वीडियो को देखंतु यूनिट 3 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को जिबा हाउ डिड द बॉयज एंजॉय देयर टाइम एट द स्विमिंग बाथ पिला माने किभଳି भाबरे सेमानकर समय स्विमिंग बाथ रे स्पेंड करथुले बा एंजॉय करथुले एट द स्विमिंग बाथ स्टूडेंट्स शुड गो इन अ लार्ज नंबर एट अ टाइम एंड बास्क that means that is lay between their dips eating bones on the hot asphalt margin जाइए गाधौले एकाठी आउ बुड़ी के आसुथिबे ऊपर आसी पुणी खाई देकी पुणी जाइए बुड़ुथिबे राइट what kind of prank did they enjoy at the bath को बड़े भाबरे prank खेल खेलती से माने at a swimming bath it was a good prank to come up behind someone and push him in the pool चुपचाप पछुरा से जणो पेली दवा सेटा थिला prank What did the writer do to the boy standing in a meditative posture? जो पिलाटी meditative posture रे छिड़ा इतला ताकि कौन कले? Writer saw a boy wrapped in a towel standing in a meditative posture on the edge of the pool. The writer stealthily came behind him and pushed him in the pool, holding onto his towel as that it should not get wet. Writer कौन कले देखिले लोकोटी बा पिलाटी गोड़ेई की बा towel टे गुड़ेई की अच्छी तेणु ताको आसिले पछरु टावेलटी धइले ताको टावेलटा उदाहरण जे हबनी टावेलटी धइले ताको पेली देले टावेलटी ताको हाथे धरिकी पिलाटी बिचरा लंगला हेकी ता भितरे पडिला राइट व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन ऑफ द बॉय बॉय रो रिएक्शन कोन थिला द बॉय वाज वेरी एंग्री विथ द प्रैंक भारी रागी गला he emerged from the pool of furious face and made fierce the boy quickly seized him in a furious grip and threw him into the deepest part of the pool रागी के बाहरला सेठू अंकु धइला धरिकी से पूल रो सबटु गभीर पार्ट को धरिकी टेकी फुपाड़ दला What did the writer learn about Ameri from the crowd of younger boys Ameri जो पिलाटो से पेल दितले ता विषय से कौन जानिबा को पाइले Now the writer लिखिबो Churchill learned from the crowd that Ameri was from the 6th form Ameri थिला 6th form रो He was the head of his house ता घर रो हेड थिला चैंपियन जिम रे चैंपियन थिला तार फुटबॉल कलर थिला they also recount his many of titles से माने ताको बहुत टेकी की कहले आमेरी विषय रे राइटर को आगे now how did the writer apologize for his misconduct ताको misconduct बा दुर्व्यवहार पई किबळी भाबरे apologize कले क्षमा प्रार्थना कले with a lot of guilt and fear Churchill approached Ameri to apologize He said sorry for playing the prank and said that he mistook Ameri for a fourth form of boy, right? It's to touch who was a great man ताकू दया करी मिस करिवे भूल ले रह जाइछि तेणु आउट ऑफ गिल्टीनेस से जाइकी तांकू भूल मागिले सॉरी मागिले क्षमा मागिले तांकर मिसकंडक्ट पई कहले जे मु भूल ले तुमको फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ बॉय हिसाब नै गली Did he apologize out of fear or guilt or both? भय रे ना निजे गिल्टी फील कले बोली अप्लाइज कले ना दीटा पई इट एक्चुअली दीटा पई एक्चुअली अप्रोलाइज्ड आउट ऑफ बोथ फियर एंड गिल्ट he was guilty of playing a prank with a boy of enormous strength fame and reverence also he feared the consequence of his prank guilty feel कले गोटे बड़ पिला enormous strength जा पाखरे अछि तार फेम अछि रेवरेंस अछि हां आउ तार प्रतिफल कोन होबो सेटा भाबिकी मध्य तांकू भय करूथले did the matter end happily yes the matter ended satisfactorily and happily when Ameri laughed and asked Churchill to be cautious in future जेतले लास्ट को Ameri हसिले आ कहले कि नेक्स्ट टाइम टिके केयर नबो ए सब जिंस करियो नै तापरे मैटर टी ହେଇଗଲା ଠିक ଠାक राइट लास्ट यूनिट 4 जो माने बुझी नाओ दया करी लिंक रे दिया है यूनिट 4 डिस्क्रिप्शन ने ताको देखो बुझो किसी डाउट हेले सेतिर पचारो एबे क्वेश्चन आंसर को जिबा 3 years difference in age is not so important as it is at school. How does the writer prove it? School रे जेते 3 वर्ष age difference important सेटा latter days रे सेते हेलानी केमती प्रूव कले The author is referring to Ameris and his own age difference in his line. Ameri was 3 years senior to Churchill and it commanded a lot of respect in school. Ameri ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ବୟସର ବ୍ୟବଧାନ 3 ବର୍ଷର ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ରେଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି कि आमिर जेहेतु 3 वर्षर बयस सीनियर थिला तेणु स्कूल रे ताकू बहुत रेस्पेक्ट देबाकू पड़ुतला बट इन द year after school 3 year difference did not matter much as they were colleagues in cabinet for good many years and saw a lot of each other. In fact, Ameri was the Secretary of State for India in Churchill's cabinet, meaning thereby that he was junior to Churchill in stature, right? କିନ୍ତୁ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ବୋଲି ମାନା ଯାଏନି କାରଣ ୟାଙ୍କ ଚର୍ଚିଲଙ୍କ କ୍ୟାବିନେଟରେ ସିଏ ଥିଲେ ତ ଚର୍ଚିଲ ପ୍ରାଇମ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଥିଲେ ଫଳରେ ଇଏ ଜୁନିୟର ହେଲେ ସିଏ ସିନିୟର ହେଲେ ସାନ ବୟସରେ ଯିଏ ସେ ସିନିୟର ବଡ଼ ଯିଏ ବୟସରେ ସିଏ ଜୁନିୟର ହେଲେ ରାଇଟ୍ ତେଣୁ 3 ବର୍ଷର ବ୍ୟବଧାନ ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ବଡ଼ ଜିନିଷ ନୁହେଁ ଲ୍ୟାଟରନ୍ ଡିଏଜ୍ରେ How did the writer fare at school? School ରେ କେମିତି ଭଲ କଲେ? The writer was placed in the lowest third division of the fourth and remained stagnated in the lowest form. He was counted among dunces and stupidest boys, yet he had some achievement to his credit. बहुत दिन धरी सभा तले सबुठू कम फॉर्म रे रहिले से ताको गोटे डनसेस बा स्टुपिडेस्ट बॉयज हिसाब रे गणन कराउतला किंतु से गुडे अचीवमेंट करि पारी थिले राइट हाउ डिड ही विन ए प्राइज से स्कूल किबळी भाबरे प्राइज जितिले सो द राइटर किबळी भाबरे स्कूल ले प्राइज जितिले द राइटर ओन अ प्राइज फॉर reacting to the headmaster's 1200 lines of Macaulay's Sledge of Ancient Rome without making a single mistake. It was a surprise for a lowest form boy to win that prize, which was open to whole school. ଗୋଟେ लोएस्ट फॉर्म पिला थिले किंतु मैकलेनकर जो ले ऑफ एंशिएंट रोम को समस्तଙ୍କ आगे जो पढ़ी पारिले ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ଜିତିଲେ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ତେଣୁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲା इन दिस वे ही ओन ए प्राइज राइट What was the writer's note of the achievements at school? School रे कौन भलो achievement सब करथिले The writer passed the preliminary examination for the army while at the bottom of the school प्रथम सबुठु स्कूल रे तळे थिले किंतु आर्मी पास करथिले It was noteworthy achievement as many boys far above in the school had failed in it. ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ବହୁତ ଉଚ୍ଚରେ ଥିବା ଅନେକ ପିଲା ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ପାସ୍ କରିପାରିଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଆଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ noteworthy achievement ଥିଲା Also, he had won a prize for reading 1200 lines of Macaulay's Lays of Ancient Rome without making any mistake. ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯୋଉଟା 1200 ଲାଇନ୍ ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ Lays of Ancient Rome ପଢିଲେ without mistake ସେଟା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ପାଇଥିଲେ right these are the two noteworthy achievement How did the writer prepare himself for the preliminary examination of the army? Army रो preliminary examination ପାଇଁ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ prepare କରିଥିଲେ ନିଜକୁ? The writer had put forth a very special effort for the preliminary examination. ଗୋଟେ effort ନେଇଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ special effort ନେଇଥିଲେ examination ପାଇଁ. He had a piece of good luck too. ତାଙ୍କର ବି luck ଟା ଭାରି ଭଲ ଥିଲା. He knew that beside other questions, student would be asked to draw a map of some country or other से जानते कि अदर क्वेश्चन मान भर गोटे क्वेश्चन आसो कि जेकोसी एक कंट्री मैप करने सो द नाइट बिफोर द फाइनल प्रिपरेशन ही पुट द नेम्स ऑफ ऑल द मैप इन द atlas into a hat and drew out one which was New Zealand. He applied all the good memory to the geography of that only on dominant. Luckily, the first question in the paper was draw a map of New Zealand. एग्जाम प्रिपेयर रो पूर्व दिन कौन कले आटलास को बाहर कले सबू देश गुडी को पकैले तांको टोपी रे पकैकी गोटी चिरकुटी बाहर कले जोथर लेखा आइतला न्यूजीलैंड तेणु से खाली न्यूजीलैंड को प्रिपेयर हेले तापर सकल के न्यूजीलैंड ही पड़िथिला फଳରେ तांको भलो मार्क मिलला Why does he call his success an end? से तांको सक्सेस को काहे की गोटे एंट्रेन बा जुआ बा गैम्बलिंग बोली कहउचंती। In gambling, success by an influence means to place the entire money or bet on one single number. Gambling ରେ influence କହିଲା ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଯାହା ଅଛି ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର ଉପରେ ପକେଇ ଦିଅ, ପାଇଲ ତ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇବ, ଯଦି ହରେଇବ ତ ସବୁ ହରେଇବ। Gambler is thus rewarded heavily for his win. ଯଦି ଜିତିଲା gambler ଜୁଆରୀ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ ପାଇବ। Similarly, Churchill to put all his effort and good memory to one map that was on New Zealand, and to his luck he got the same question in the paper। ये भी ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ମେମୋରି ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲାଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ଉପରେ ହିଁ କରିଥିଲେ, ଆଉ ଲକିଲି ସେଇଆକୁ ହିଁ ପାଇଲେ। ତେଣୁ he passed the preliminary examination for army when many boys above him in the school had failed। ଅନେକ ପିଲା ଯିଏକି ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ପାସ୍ କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ତେଣୁ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କର ସକ୍ସେସକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଶା କରି ଛୋଟ ଏପଟ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ। जो वीडियो देखी ना डिस्क्रिप्शन रे अच्छी 4टा यूनिट डिफरेंट वीडियो दयाकोरी देखु, किसी डाउट थे पचारतु, पुणी थे आसवे आउ एक नुआ वीडियो नुआ विषय आनिकी। टिल देन टेक केयर, हैव अ गुड डे, थैंक यू वेरी मच माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू।